This is the new limited edition Black Unity Apple Watch Series 6. The Series 6, with all of its new features, was released only just a few months ago, but with this new special edition, your purchase also helps a good cause, where Apple says it supports organizations dedicated to advancing racial equity and justice. Now, right off the bat, you can tell that this Apple Watch is different. Instead of the plain white box that Apple typically uses with Apple Watches, this one is matte black on the outside and has red, black, and green on the inside of the packaging. So there's actually two boxes inside of the packaging, one of them for the Black Unity Collection Sports Band, which is also available separately for $50, and one for the limited edition Apple Watch Series 6 itself. So inside of the device box, you have special documentation talking about how the red, black, and green are inspired by the Pan-African flag, which represent the sacrifices and the commitment made to dismantling the systemic inequalities that diminish the rights of Black people. Now, you often see companies make special editions of their products. Obviously, they catch a lot of attention and they generate new sales, but it's nice to see that Apple is using that to actually support a good cause here. Included in the box is the magnetic charger, but just like with the new iPhones, there's no wall adapter included. And then you have the Apple Watch itself, which pretty much looks like any other Series 6 Apple Watch, but what makes this one a special edition is on the back crystal, where you have the words Black Unity etched in. It's definitely subtle. You won't be able to tell it's a special edition when you have the watch on your wrist, but it is a nice touch. Moving on to the wristband, this is where you're really going to notice that this watch is from the Black Unity collection. You get the same special documentation as we saw in the device box, and there are two band sizes to choose from for both small and large. Now, what's special about the bands themselves is they're made of 3 individual pieces of colored fluoroelastomer, and they're actually hand assembled and then compression molded into one smooth piece. The fastening pin has the words Truth, Power, and Solidarity laser engraved into it, and you have Black Unity text here as well. And then finally, to complete the look, you have the Black Unity watch face. Now, this watch face is available for anyone with an Apple Watch with the latest software, and what's cool about it is it changes dynamically as the Apple Watch moves throughout the day, which, because we all move differently, it technically creates a unique watch face for everyone. Overall, I like the look of it. I don't know if I'm going to rock the watch face itself, since it is kind of hard to read at times and it only supports 2 complications, but I'm definitely going to be rocking this wristband for a while. This limited time Black Unity edition costs the same as the regular Series 6, starting at $399, and like I mentioned earlier, if you already have an Apple Watch, you can get the Black Unity Sports Band separately for $50, with part of the proceeds going towards organizations that promote equality and civil rights around the world. But that is pretty much it for me in this quick unboxing, and I'll see you in the very next episode.